Welcome back to Forest Farms. So we're going to try and put grease tubes on the skid loader right now. Just remember, if you guys like the video, leave a like. I'm trying to find a 1-inch socket. Here's a 1-inch. Got the 1-inch socket. So I'm trying to put grease tubes on the skid loader. So yeah, I am. We got
them ain't light, are they?
tire off. I gotta go wipe my hands quick. But we got the tire off. So we're replacing the grease zerks that were there originally. They came off a long time ago. Back when we tore the original house down, I think is when the first one came off. Something like that. I'm not really sure. It was in that time period, first one came off. What we're replacing is these tubes. Those did not come from the factory like that. They used to be down here. Supposed to grease them once a year. So, yeah. Once a year when you do the yearly maintenance on it. So, yep.
Gas pickup, and we'll see if we can thread it in there. Got them in the back.
Corin's Drive?
The little black box in the back of the gas pickup.
Alright, so we found out where the grease zerk goes, and we're putting hopefully the right grease zerk in. So it was right on the front of the that's the hole right there where the grease zerk goes. So
Nope, that one's too small. One a little bigger, maybe? I think that's gonna be okay. Grab your grease gun, Adam James. See, we're probably gonna have to go to town and get a new tip.
battery still works.
Yes. think you can pump a bunch in there, right, Dad? I don't think we're timing it. There.
It's coming out.
That's what you want, right?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, that tip is, that's a new circ. That ain't, well, that's all you have to do to that one. What do you got, one left?
Yep.
Should be good. Yeah.